What is going on, everybody? It's GGaemer here, and we are back with a new type of video here. Oh yeah, hi. Today we are back with a new type of video here. Hi, yes, you want to be in the video? Hello, I'm doing a video for YouTube. Can you give me a moment? Well, today we are trying a new video. We're gonna do an unboxing video. I'm gonna be doing some upgrades as well as some things that are coming into the household that just seem cool. So we're gonna check some of this stuff out and just do a, unboxing video. So yeah, the box, it's a very nice box. Very heavy duty, not too bad. Beautiful case. We'll go ahead and pop this off and see what's underneath. Now my girlfriend got these headphones. They didn't work out for her, so this was already opened, but she put everything back, and pretty much they just didn't fit her ears, so she gave them to me. So I'll put them to use. But in this, it's just the how to pair, pretty much how to use book. Comes with that. Then in the box, as you can see, it's just basic average kind of stuff. The covers for the earbuds themselves, different sizes for different ears. The charging case, which you will charge this and put this in here to get the charge to here. And then the actual earbuds themselves. So here we go. Looks like it comes with a number of different little headsets. I like the red ones, so I'm probably gonna end up putting these ones in myself. I do like those, and they feel pretty good, not too bad. Kind of a little tough, which I'm okay with. I don't mind that. But yeah, and it looks like there's an 18-month warranty that you can get. So underneath there, I guess there's more, which was packed, which is our charging cable, of course. Attachment was on there, box. But yeah, here we go. So of course the charging cable for that guy. Not too bad, not too bad. And then we'll take a look at this. So pretty much kind of same deal as the AirPods for the iPhone. Pretty cool. Not too bad. Pretty much average, same stuff. Let's see what this is all about here down here. I think this is how you pop off for the charge. This is actually kind of tough to get off. A little area right there. So yeah, let's see. Try and take that in there. Can't quite get it off right now, but I'm not gonna sit here and trying. Yeah, you charge that. Put the charger in there. Inside there goes these guys right here. So these are the actual earbuds themselves. It looks like my girlfriend put on one of the red ones to try it out, which I'm okay with. I like that. Wonder if they have any charge. These are supposed to be touch sensitive, so it looks like it's beeping. Well, pretty much how it works out is like this. You put it in right in there like that. Like so. Close it up. The lights come on. Charging up. Looks like it's full charge with the earbuds or the AirPods I have right now. On mine, this indicates the charge level. So when it gets down to this side, it looks like that means it's dead. Full charge on the left, dead on the right. We're gonna charge it down below there. So here we can see the new headset that we just unboxed there, next to my daily AirPods there, and significantly bigger in size. And this has more of a matte finish with some extra qualities for like syncing. That button right there turns it on and off. And it's a little smaller, sleeker. Mine have this matte finish, whereas these do not. So pretty much all in all, after doing the unboxing and some testing, I would say these are a buy, definitely. These are pretty cool. Bottom part's a little hard to get off. The headphones work great though. As you can see, the setup was easy for the phone. And so overall, I'm impressed with them. I can go all around my apartment with leaving my phone in one area and they actually have a longer range than these ones do. So that is pretty cool, and I really enjoyed the sound quality on them. I tried like heavy metal, some electronic, some softer stuff. So all in all, I definitely recommend getting these, and they're definitely worth the bang for the buck. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's first unboxing video. These headphones look pretty cool, and I'm curious what else they can do. So we'll see what the full functionality of these bad boys are. But yeah, I definitely, so far, I recommend this. The case, sturdy, got a good weight to it. Looks like it's definitely working. Things are operating, it holds everything nicely. These are very sleek, very cool headphones. I will be honest, I like them a lot. And when putting them in the ears, they actually do fit nicely for me, as well as I like the look of how they sit in the ear when I'm wearing them. So I definitely like them. But here we go, the Tozo T6 IPX8 waterproof wireless headphones. Thanks for hanging out today. I appreciate you guys taking some time to view this video. I hope this helped your endeavor in looking after these headphones. But yeah, hit the like button, hit that bell button, drop a subscribe, you know, do all those fun things. It helps the channel. Everything that I do get goes back into this channel, and I really appreciate everything. I love y'all. Thank you to everyone who has made donations. I hope this video helped you out. There'll definitely be more unboxing videos. I hope this helped you, at least get you pointed in the right direction. These definitely seem like they're worth the bang for the buck. I will test them out. Anywho, thank you guys for hanging out with me. I appreciate y'all. I hope you guys have a good rest of the day. And yeah. I got it.